Fly me to the moon and let me taste your inner thighs. Put that mic into my face, cause it's prettier than I. Soundcheck complete. Hello and welcome to another Solana tutorial. It's already pretty hot in here, but we're gonna make it even hotter because today we're gonna burn some stuff. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. So we're gonna talk about the new Metaplex Token Standard v1.3, I think. And we're gonna have a look at how we can make money by freaking scammers who send us NFTs or just reclaiming some fees that we spent. So to give some context, what you might want to use this for. So last time we were creating those, right? Those NFTs. And even on Mainnet, let's forget about Mainnet. Although no, let's not forget about Mainnet, but I don't have the Mainnet wallet included. Do I have it here? This address. Right here. We were minting some. Let's look at transactions. 16 hours ago? Who this? Transfer checked. Oh, I'm getting scam tokens again. The classic. Transfer burn. See, the people are doing it right. They're burning that. But anyway, so 11 days ago, something that is done by this account. Okay, let's find it in the tokens. It's probably easier. There. 14 days ago, we minted this one. Can you load the image, please? Oh, I killed it already. Right. I killed this instance too. This is not there anymore. I closed the shadow account. No such bucket. Yeah, I deleted that. I deleted the 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1! My baby don't mess around because she... Anyway. Okay, so I even deleted it. I remember I deleted it because I was like, this is a test NFT. I'm not gonna use this for anything. So I deleted the bucket. I deleted the shadow drive. So essentially now I have an empty NFT here, right? That I minted 14 days ago. And essentially when I minted it, I had to pay this and this, a token account and the metadata account. I prefer to look at those things in Explorer. It looks better. Let's check it out in Explorer. So check this out. As usual, if you mint an NFT, you have to pay 0.01 something for minting the NFT because you need to create the token itself. That's the token mint. That is not closable because we're still using the old token program and token accounts there are not closable, so that is lost. That's the token account that can be reclaimed by closing an empty token account. We know that from the fee redeemer. And then this is the metadata account and this is the addition. So that's another 0.0056 and another 0.0028 for a total of 0.048 sol. And you know, with those 0.2, we get to 0.01 sol. It's just that little bit that we can't reclaim. But that stuff, soon you will be able to reclaim as well. Because who owns that? The metadata program. Let's check it out. Such that I didn't lie to you. Token metadata program. The other one, check that out. Didn't lie to you. Token metadata program. And that is owned by Metaplex. And Metaplex, yes window, I see you. And Metaplex decided to allow token burning. I kind of want to do more with my hand. I'm not happy with how I look. I want to be bigger. There you go. Is that how we want it? Does that look better? Now I can have my proper hand gestures. And that corner up here is not so important anyway. Let me know if you want to keep me... but I prefer this better. Because I talk a lot with my hands, you know? Okay, anyway. It's my video, shut up. Anyhow, point is, that's all money we can reclaim. Money. By just burning that NFT. And not just burning the token. Not just burning the token with the token program, because that will just give you that. Well, first you need to burn it such that then you can close the account and then you can get that. But, you know, that's the simple thing. Getting that back is easy, but getting all of that back, I haven't done it. I'm not even sure if it's deployed on Mainnet yet. I know that it is deployed on DevNet, so we're gonna definitely try to do this today. So, let's go and burn some tokens. Some NFTs in particular. NFTs! Okay, metadata. Token metadata. Too stable. It's too stable for us. Token standard. Update. Burn an NFT. Ha, that's new. This instruction enables the owner of the NFT to completely burn it. Burning the SBL token and closing the token account. So that's what we can already do with the token program. You know, that's this part. Not this part because that's impossible. Then closing the metadata and edition accounts. Those are these two. That's these two. And then giving the owner the reclaimed funds from, well, okay, I mean, that's obvious. Thank you very much for giving us that back. This handler checks if the NFT is a member of a verified collection. If it is, it requires the collection metadata account to be passed in so the size can be decremented. Ah yeah, okay, because in the new collections they now also track size with the new standard. This handler will not close metadata and edition accounts where the token has already been burned and the mint has a supply of 0. So if you've already burned your token, you're out of luck. You kind of failed. You have to do it with them and not just burn the token with the token program. Because at that point, there's no official owner of the NFT. So obviously, only the person owning it can burn it or should be able to burn it. I mean, Metaplex could implement whatever they want, but it's good that they only let the owner burn it. Because if everybody could burn anything, then that would not be good. Chaos. Name BurnNFT. And it needs the metadata. That's the metadata account derived with the metadata program ID and mint ID, as we know. The owner, obviously, the mint. So that's the token account. That's the token mint address. Then a token account of the account to close. Master edition. Yeah, that's the master edition account then, this part. SBL token program, because we need to call the burn and close on the SBL token program. And the collection metadata for reasons that are listed up here. I mean, so far so good. I mean, there's a description here. We have the name of that thing. It's called BurnNFT. Let's see if it's already in the SDK from Metaplex that I can already use it. That will be the super easy version. Like that would be like super, super easy. But I'm afraid that it won't be that easy. Unverifier creator. Token standard. Ha, there we go. That's how that in the changelog I find this. So now there's the 1.3. So we have the burning NFTs, sizing the collections, and set a token standard. Please create metadata account with 3 instead. Because you're now in version 3. Okay, sure. Cool. Most important thing is this. Is it deployed on Mainnet yet? I have no idea. But it's like edited 2 days ago. So maybe 2 days ago they pushed it on Mainnet. Could be. We'll see. How do we go about this now? I guess we just open some coding stuff completely from the top. From the top. Can't have been so important. Okay, so Metaplex SDK. There, that stuff. Meanwhile, Metaplex is new Metaplex. So we just play around a little bit with the JavaScript SDK from Metaplex. Because we've actually never done this. I never used the Metaplex SDK directly. Which should make stuff more easy to use, maybe. But I'm afraid it won't have the burn yet. Because last time at the hacker house, I asked him if it's already implemented in the SDK, but it's not. I guess we'll have to go through that manually. Yes, it's not here in the documentation. All right, let's see what this Metaplex can offer. NFTs. I mean, that's all very high level stuff. Load metadata. Okay, maybe I don't want to do it so complexly. I essentially just need an IDL from the token program. The token metadata program. And then I can call something on it. But how do I get that? I don't want to do some fancy shit like that. Name or address. I can give you your name or address. That's useless. I'm just playing around for now. Oh, I'm in the way, right? Where does it even come from? TypeScript. So in TypeScript and then find source file. Maybe I did not save it. Like literally, is that so hard? No. Oh yeah, see, that works. So where's my problem? Do I need to understand this? Likely by a wrapping package working with an outdated signature. How about we start from scratch? Metaplex JS, Metaplex Foundation JS. Probably the same thing, just that they might have changed it a lot since then. Yeah, that's all, yeah. How did I install that? I really hate messing around with TypeScript like that. I'm not even burning yet. I don't know what's not working here. Reverting to TS Node fixes it for me. Need to update the globally installed. Okay, let's update our freaking TS version then. Again, I hate messing around with TypeScript. But yeah, there we go. Looks better. Easy. Good that we find all our solutions on Stack Overflow. By the way, fun fact. Did you know that there is a solana.stackoverflow.com? No, there isn't. Dude, how did I get there? Anyway, okay, let's not get sidetracked. Back to you. So what does that do now? Giving me an error. Program not recognized. The provided program name is not recognized in the cluster. Oh, I don't even know what that does. So RPC client. Here we can send stuff like a transaction, NFT. So that's how easy it is to create an NFT with this. Suppose we did that. Kind of just want to know what's behind that. And that's just not telling me anything. I want to know what it does. I don't like this SDK. Sorry, Loris, but I don't. This makes it way more complicated for me than I thought. Because I just want to know what it does if I call that. This whole modular, I mean, it's probably cool. If you understand it, it's probably cool. But I don't understand it. Tell me what it does in the background. You know what? Fuck that, I'm gonna read source code. Nope, I'm not gonna read bytecode. Plugins, NFT module, create NFT. There are all the things. See, that's what I wanted my thing to display, but it doesn't. Stupid thing. It's still in V2. Yeah, there you go. Gotta update that to V3. Yeah, they're just faster. Oh, there's a V3. So, with a transaction builder, which again makes it a bit harder for me to understand all of this, we create a transaction where we add. Yeah, this is really hard for me to read. It's probably a nice way to, deal with it. Anyhow, so there's no burn in here anyway. So we need to do that manually anyway. So we need to find out how to do this manually. Man, I should have, yeah, that's what I want to do. I should have a proper repository for notes and shit. Just there. So Metaplex Foundation MPL Token Metadata. So it's not the JS that I was using there, it's this one. Just the Metaplex Programming Library Token Metadata. Let's npmi this thing real quick. And MPL has the instructions in there. So it's literally in MPL. Yeah, that's what I want. That's the easier thing for me to use. Not some complicated SDK with modules and shit. I just want MPL dot BurnNFT instruction. Discriminator. Well. Nah, maybe a create BurnNFT instruction. That's what we want. We create a BurnNFT instruction with accounts and program ID. Can I look what that is? Not really. No, it's not a function. MPL BurnNFT instruction accounts. So since this nice little thing, wait, do I need to install the TypeScript of that? Instructions BurnNFT. BurnNFT struct is this. There, that's what I need. This stuff. Was that so hard to find? Yes, it was so hard to find. No, it was not, but it was some. So, my dear, we just need to put that in and then we create ourselves a stupid thing. Okay, so metadata is, let's start with burning one of those on DevNet. This one, I don't like this one, I want to burn it. So this is the token address. And that's the only thing I want to hard code in here. That's why I write it in caps. And then I call this mint to be a public key from the token address. Okay? So that's the mint account. Then I want to call the, okay, I still also need the owner because that's my key pair. That's gonna be Shugwa. Where did I store that? So that's the key pair file. Do I wanna, as I usually do, copy the, no, this time I Google it. See how quickly I can find it. Okay, can't be bothered. We do it the good old this way. Write this function once, use it all the time. Could put this all in on a function, but again, no, I'm too lazy. There we go. So we have the private key, we have the mint. So, but that's now all that we need. So the owner is gonna be from my key pair, the public key. The mint is gonna be this. The token account, that can also just be derived from the mint. No, it cannot be derived from the mint. Because theoretically it can be anything. It could be the associated token account. Usually it will be the associated token account. If it were the associated token account, should we include the SPL token package? Here we don't need the newest one anyway. So now SPL token dot get associated token address. Because I think this thing doesn't even query RPC but just derives associated program ID. Mint public key owner. Allow owner of curve. And then we get back a promise for a public key. Perfect. But that's also just the TS stuff. I'm interested in the source code. Why is that not properly linked? Why? Anyway, token account is this one. So let's log all of this stuff. Mint owner. So those are the things that we need. Gotta await this thing. And such that we can await this thing, we need to put all of this in an asynchronous function. Okay, fine. Async function. Burn that NFT. And then we just burn that NFT. So, metadata account, how do we get that? So the token account, that's the TA, master edition account, and metadata account. Those are the two we're still missing. SPL token program is pretty simple. Token program. Collection metadata. Does it belong to a collection? Yes, it does. That I would need to put in manually. Or actually, can I? I mean, I could read it from the account. Does the MPL have it? Something with collection. I mean, I could manually read it. Or I just provide it to you. Because that's just way easier. Double. New public key with a collection mint. Okay, okay, easy. So then here, no, what? So we're still missing the metadata account, which somehow we can derive this. Is there something in the MPL? Or should we just manually do it again, as we did back in the days when we knew how to do stuff? I derived shit here, right? Yeah, there. I derived it from the seeds and the mint. That's exactly what we need to do again. I wanna do this again. Now we do need anchor. I was hoping to get around without anchor, but let's also get anchor. It just makes life easier. We just provide those seeds, metadata, the program ID, and the mint. And then we get the metadata PDA and the metadata PDA. That's what we're going to put in here in the burn accounts. And then we still need the master edition account. How is that derived again? You know, the best way to find stuff for me is still to go to my videos where I did that. Essentially, I just need that. So the edition account, metadata, token metadata, PID, mint plus edition. So essentially almost the same as here, except it also adds another seed edition. Do I see that correctly? I guess so. So we put another seed 4 that is essentially edition, and then I put master edition PDA with seed 4. We'll see if that works, and then I provide that here as well. And I think then we should be pretty much set for running this. So we put the burn accounts here. And then what else does it need? The program ID. Do you have the program address? There we go. Don't want to do that yet though. I first just want to print. No. First just want to print if the addresses are correct. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't run. Token does not exist. Why? How does token not exist? Where does token not exist? spl.token. I mean, oh, you might not have the correct. Oh, that is that already. That is already the token class. Oh, now it's in a different order. Why do you need to change that? Because you need to associate the token program as a optional parameter at the end. Okay, fine. Okay, so it's mint owner, and then allow off curve. And probably when it's undefined, it goes for the default values anyway. So let's just leave all of that out. I know, I mean, makes it easier to call, yes, but okay. Okay, can I run it now? This is all much more complicated than I thought. I thought I'd just easily burn some tokens, but no. But, let's check this out. We have Sugar as the owner. Yep, I'm also the update authority, but that's not at all connected anyway. I mean, yeah, whatever, it is connected. That's the mint. I mean, that looks good. Token account. If we go to distribution, then we should see the address MSB. Yeah, that looks good. That's the token account. Then metadata account is setBU. Now that's a bit harder to check, but probably the easiest way to check this. Well, how do we check then if that is the right address? Well, okay, let's check with the other one that we looked at. Let's check with this one, where that's already on mainnet. Oh, here's the mint transaction, see? Oh, but then I need to change everything. Oh, no. So that's the token address as a collection mint. Okay, and if we were to do that on mainnet. So let's check it for this then. This is the mint. Makes sense. I didn't print the token owner, but that's okay. Token account. If we go in here and check the distribution, 31M is the token account. Okay, checks out. Token metadata. Also, this should be the token account. Yeah. Token metadata 5BS. Yes, that checks out. And then 6. That also checks out. Score! I'm so good at this. Look at me. God damn. Holy moly. It all matches. Back to DevNet. What if I now actually create this instruction? What if I BA burn instruction? What if I then said connection send transaction with this transaction and my key pair as a signer and checked for the ID and awaited the result? And what if I were to do all of those things? Let's see. 0x3f. Well, that's a custom error. Data type mismatch. What? Instruction burn NFT, instruction burn. Instruction close account. Close account has success. Data type mismatch. In the metadata. Data type mismatch. 0x3f. 3f is 63. Data type mismatch. Okay, I mean, we already kind of knew this. But what exactly? Okay, can I find usage of this error? Can have many reasons. Damn, that makes it even harder to figure out. Token metadata state test, so it must be this one. Did I not provide the right things here? After the burn, close data type mismatch. So burn NFT, then burn the token, close the account. That goes through with the token program. And then we get a data type mismatch. So maybe let's look at the actual source code for the burn. Or wait, one more try first with the... Maybe it has the wrong master edition. Yeah, okay, never mind. Token metadata program, source, metadata owner mint token edition. Where's the implementation of all of that? This, where does that come from? Ah! Yeah, okay, so we have that, and then what? How do you, where is the actual code that is executed? Why is that also difficult to find out? Damn, man. This is getting expensive to pay my editor. You know what? Let's not read code. Let's see if it's the same thing on Mainnet, because fuck that. Let's see if we get the same shit on Mainnet as well. Just gonna try and burn a token. Can't possibly be so hard. Yeah, same thing though. So there's something that I'm still effing up. Data type mismatch. Pretty sure that I put them in the right order. This is the metadata. This is the owner. It's the mint. That's the token account. With the token account and mint, everything works. Master edition. Process instruction. Ha, there we go. There we go. Instruction burn NFT. Process burn NFT. We're getting there. We're getting there. So our program and our accounts. So metadata from account. If there's no collection, missing collection. Okay. We don't have that. Edition account. So all the assertions I think went through. So SBL token burn with the burn parameters. Then close with the close parameters. Those two things still go through. But then somehow, so apparently like here onwards, it fails. Addition Lamperts. But I don't know where. There are also no print statements in here. Okay, I think I have a suspicion. My collection metadata doesn't support collection size yet. So my collection NFT is not in the right version. Maybe it's that. But here it checks, right? Collection details V1, and there it subtracts 1. But only if it's in V1. What happens if I don't put a collection here? Maybe back on DevNet. What's the error then? That's 67 now. Can't burn a verified member of a collection without providing collection metadata account. Okay, how about I remove the collection? Can I do that? Collection. Okay, so we start with a create something. Create. Can't burn a verified member. Okay, so if I unverified, basically saying it's not officially a member of this collection anymore, maybe then. What do you need? What do you need? This is like pure hacking now. So accounts, of course you need accounts. Unverified collection accounts. And program. Oh, is the program ID the public key and address, just the address. Okay, that makes sense. So let's use that. Let's do one after the other. First do this. And you need MPL unverified collection accounts, such that we have a blueprint. And that's not in the right order, but it doesn't need to be in the right order. Okay, we need that. Collection, I mean, that's relatively simple. New public key from the collection. Then we need collection authority. That's also pretty simple. That's my key pair. Then we need the collection master edition account. That's also pretty simple. That's the master edition PDA. Then we need the collection mint. That's also pretty simple. That's the mint. Then we, no wait, that's the It's not the mint, it's the collection mint. Hold on, what is that then? What is the, I thought that was the collection mint. What? What's the collection then? Check documentation again. Accounts. Metadata account, collection authority, mint of the collection, yes, and then collection, metadata account of the collection. Okay, so the collection is the metadata account of the collection. So, okay, we need to play that game again. So first of all, this is this, and then we need to play the game with that thing, except this time collection metadata PDA. And the only thing that changes is that mint. So instead of seed 3, we're gonna do, and then put the collection mint 2 bytes. Okay, so then we can here provide the collection metadata PDA. What else do we need? Metadata is, wait, that's from the one that we want to change probably, right? So it's gonna be the metadata PDA. Okay, and the last thing that was there is collection authority record. I don't think I have that, and I don't think I need that. Okay, F that, and then we're gonna here add this instruction instead, and then we're gonna run this and see what that says. So for now, let's see. Oh, that went through. Interesting. Let me quickly check the mint on here. So because for now we had verified is 1, and if we refresh that, what just happened? Oh, we are on mainnet again. Okay, let's check here. So this verified, oh, that's a verified creator. There, verified is 1, and our collection was 7. Yeah, the 7-1. That's our collection. Now if we refresh that, it's now verified 0. It's now not verified anymore. Does that mean that I can now burn it? And you don't want to have to do this, right? You don't want to have to, I'm just debugging why it doesn't work. But let's see. If we now try and burn it, come on. Yeah! Ooh, sorry. That looks good. Look at that. 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 Look, we've got plus 0.01 sol. Making all that money. On DevNet still. But still, I like it. Good. See, so this is working. This is working. The question is just, why is it not working with the collection? So with the collection, I seem to have another issue because, I mean, now the thing is gone, right? So if we go back to this guy, if we now refresh, then yeah, then it's just a token anymore. Oh, the token is still here. Oh yeah, fun fact. Token is still here because that's the only thing we cannot delete. The token is still here, but it has a current supply of 0 because the one token that was there was removed, it was burned, and then the token account was also closed. So it's now just an unknown token. That's all that's left on chain because the rest, metadata, master edition, and token accounts were all deleted. And you know, reclaimed, so nice. Okay, question is still, why could I not do this? Fuck, there, The other one is gone now. Now it's just you. Why could I not do this with this one? Why can I not do it if there is a verified collection? Somehow the collection, I think because the collection doesn't support size and it tries to subtract size, this is still causing problems. But see, if I were to now instead put this token here and try and burn it, we'll get the data blah blah. Can't burn a verified member of a collection without providing. Oh, I burned it now without providing the collection, right? Because I had that commented out. Aha. And if I have that in there, then I get this data type mismatch. What if I first remove the collection? It's not verified anymore. But then I still provide the collection here. What does that give me then? Data type mismatch again. Okay, so I think it's as soon as I provide the collection here, I get a data type mismatch. I cannot provide the collection. Or maybe this field is just wrong. Could that be collection metadata? Yeah, that field is wrong. Hold on. I made a mistake, my mistake. Because I'm providing the collection mint and not the collection metadata. The collection metadata is, as we derived here, this thing. That was my issue. Ha ha. Ha ha! Now let me do that. This NFT is not a verified member of the specified collection. Okay. Fair enough though. But you know who is a verified member of a collection? The guy on Mainnet. So where do I have him? This guy. That doesn't load anymore because I already disabled this, but you know. So this is still a verified collection with this thing. So check this out. What if now I burn this thing on Mainnet? It's going through. Look. I can burn on Mainnet with a verified collection. And if I refresh here, still here? Now it's gone. Current supply 0. It's gone. 1 minute ago, burned. Yep, burn, close account, metadata, and let's look at that in the Explorer as well. So we're gonna see the opposite of that because we get them back. The 31, 3J and 5B, as we have them here, 31, 5B and 3J, they are closed again. Not this one because, you know, token program doesn't support that yet. With 2022 it will, like when it's really the new token program. And that's how we burn NFTs. And getting everything back, everything, not just the freaking token account. No, everything. And that's so much more. Woo! We made it. We can burn token accounts. No, NFTs and token accounts. Cool. Love it. And the use case is obvious for that, right? Let me go a bit bigger. Use cases for that, obvious, right? If you have an NFT that you accidentally created or for demo purposes created or temporarily created, you can then destroy it again. Or if some scammer sends you an NFT, I mean, usually they don't send an actual NFT, but just a token. And then but you can still then just burn that and reclaim at least the token account. So that's something. Check out that video if you want to know how to do that. But if they send an actual NFT or like a rug pull NFT that is worth nothing anymore, it's worth at least 0.01 sol. And that's more than nothing. So even rug pull NFTs, if you want to send me some rug pull NFTs to solandy.sol, I will gladly burn them for you. Don't you worry. Don't send them to trash.sol because that guy, whoever owns that, is making a lot of money just by people sending their NFTs to trash.sol. I wish I had that address. But anyhow, burning.sol I could buy for 6 sol. Hold on, 6 sol is, I mean, it's a little bit of money, but if people would actually send the tokens there then to burning, but how about burner? Burner.sol is also taken. a burn. I could get a burn for like 38 feeder, because feeder is worthless. No, you just do it yourself. I don't get an address. You just do that stuff and claim the money yourself. You don't need to send it to me to do it. Maybe I will program a program that does it though. I will probably add that functionality to the fee redeemer, such that you just need to click and then say burn. That could be a cool use case, a cool addition to the fee redeemer. But I'm not going to do that today because I've already been recording for 2.5 hours. But hey, we got it to work. We can burn NFTs on Mainnet. It's enabled on Mainnet. How freaking cool. I love it. Like, this is, if it works, I get excited again. It's like, woo, burning NFTs on Mainnet. So exciting, and getting some actual soul back. Yeah, love it. Yeah, this is exciting stuff. I really like that Metaplex enabled this functionality, that they include this instruction in the metadata token program. Token Metadata program. And yeah, I hope that you learned something today. If you like this content, leave it a like, tweet at Jacob and Chase that they should hire me to do more videos, and watch those two, subscribe if you haven't already, and then I will see you in the next video, where potentially I introduce the new fee redeemer or some shit. I don't know, we'll see. It's cool times, exciting times. We can finally burn NFTs properly.